The only thing mini about the new 2021 iPad mini that was just released is its size, packing an A15 Bionic chip inside of it with an 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display and a 12 megapixel front and rear facing cameras. This little guy will definitely pack a punch towards just about any other tablet or even iPad on the market today. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and setting up the new 2021 iPad mini. Stay tuned. Apple released the new 2021 iPad mini on the 24th of September, which actually is today when I'm recording this video. I got it on release day and pre-ordered it off of Apple's website when pre-orders opened up back on September 14th. Now, the new iPad mini has been completely redesigned from top to bottom with a brand new design, and as I mentioned in the intro, a new A15 Bionic chip, 12 megapixel front and rear facing cameras, an 8.3-inch new edge-to-edge Liquid Retina display, stereo or quad speakers in landscape mode for improved sound quality, a Touch ID button that is now on the power button, much like the iPad Air, which was released earlier on this year. And then it also finally, USB-C has been brought to the lineup of the iPad mini now. So now we have it on the iPad Air, the iPad mini, and both the iPad Pro 12.9-inch and 9.7-inch. Another change about the 2021 iPad mini is it now has dual microphones on it, which improves the overall audio experience when you're having FaceTime or Zoom calls. Now, the new iPad mini comes in 4 colors: space gray, pink, a light purple, and something called Starlight. Now, Starlight is kind of like a new color. It's kind of like a silvery goldish color. It's very interesting. So I did not actually get that one. I went for the space gray because I like the darker iPad experience, I guess. I think they look cooler. That's my personal preference. The new iPad mini also comes in with 2 storage configuration options, 64 gigabytes and 256 gigabytes, and also comes both in Wi-Fi versions and cellular with 5G support on them. So that's pretty cool that Apple put 5G into the new iPad mini. Now, you might be wondering, how much does the new iPad mini cost? It actually starts retail price at $499 for the Wi-Fi model, going up to $799 if you max it out at 256 gigabytes of storage and put cellular 5G in it. Now, some cool accessories that come with the new iPad mini. Well, there's one main one, and that is the one I have in front of me here, the new iPad mini Smart Folio cover. There aren't any, right now at least, any new keyboard cases or anything like that for the iPad mini, just because keyboards for a device this size really isn't super efficient unless you have like really tiny fingers. The other accessory that you can use with the new iPad mini, which is really awesome, is Apple actually brought Apple Pencil 2 support to the iPad mini. That's right, not only can you use the Apple Pencil 2 with the new iPad mini, but it also magnetizes and charges to the side of it as well. Now, Smart Folio comes in at $59 and you can pick it up in a wide range of colors, 5 colors to be exact. I got the electric orange for my Smart Folio cover, and as I showed you before, I have an Apple Pencil 2 and you can pick one of those up for $129. So I am super excited to get to unboxing the new 2021 iPad mini. I have been waiting actually for many years, as well as many of the people in the tech community, that is, for the new iPad minis to be released with this new refreshed iPad Air, iPad Pro-like design. I am so excited to get into unboxing this today. So we're gonna actually start out with the iPad mini and then get into unboxing the Smart Folio cover. So Apple has been getting more friendly with their packaging. The iPad minis, the new iPad minis that is, still have plastic on the outside. They're not pull tabs like the new iPhones are. So taking the shrink wrap off of that, and these also do come with chargers still, which we will see in just a second here. And there it is. There's the new iPad mini. Have a tab lifted up here. I'll set that aside and show you what's in the box first. So we have some documentation, as Apple always provides us with the getting started guides, and I believe there's also an Apple sticker in here, most likely. I'll leave that aside for now though. And then in the box we have, yay, finally, we have USB-C on the iPad mini. Welcome USB-C to the iPad mini community. And then we have a charging brick here as well, which is awesome. So that's what's in the box itself. I'll set that aside, and then we'll get to, oh my gosh, that is really light. This is the first time I've actually like felt it and like thought about like, oh gosh, that's really light. this iPad mini is really light compared to my iPad Pro, which I'll actually get my iPad Pro out here in just a minute and show you a size comparison. Flipping it over, Apple again is getting better with their packaging, so this is all recyclable paper now that they put across all their devices instead of, it used to be like a cloth material or sometimes even plastic on their devices. And there it is. That, oh my gosh, that is so small. I feel like I can just like make a phone call on it now. Hello, hello. Well, wow, that is absolutely gorgeous. That is so, it's so small. It's like the perfect size between your phone and your normal everyday use iPad. It's kind of like that in-between device, which could be really nice for kids or really nice just to take on day trips somewhere if you want something bigger than your phone to be able to use. And then on the back here, you can see that new 12 megapixel camera, and also brand new on the iPad mini this year is a flash. Yes, so they don't have that on the old iPad mini as well. So I'll flip that over back over the front here, and we'll go ahead and turn it on and get this set up. So now I got the new iPad mini set up. It looks absolutely phenomenal. You can take a look here on the screen and you can see how the widgets are set up and just how it looks overall, the overall experience. And turning around to landscape mode also looks really cool. It's just like a miniaturized version of the iPad, but bigger than your phone. So I was actually curious to see really quick here, what does this look like next to an iPhone 11 Pro Max? And then also, what does it look like next to a 12.9-inch iPad Pro? Well, I have both of those devices here and I'm going to show you. So now I've laid out my iPhone 11 Pro Max next to the new iPad mini, next to the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, and you can see just what a nice little companion this is. It's the perfect size between your iPhone and a 12.9-inch iPad. It's so great because you can still hold this device in one hand, yet not feel like you're carting around something like the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, which is extremely heavy. Now, another cool thing with the new iPad mini is it has Apple Pencil 2 support on it. And now I've docked the Apple Pencil with the new iPad mini, and you can see here that it has paired to the device, and there it is. So now I can, for example, maybe go into my notes and I can create a new note. I can write message on the screen. So this is like super nice because you're able to take this places. It's so much more portable than your iPad Pro, but it's nicer than your phone screen because you're able to have increased productivity because it is that larger display. And then the nice thing too is once you're done writing, you can easily just put it right on the side of the iPad mini. It charges just like on the iPad Pro or iPad Air, and it's really nice. Now that I've shown you what the new iPad mini looks like next to an iPhone and an iPad Pro, let's get to unboxing the new iPad mini Smart Folio case. Now this is pretty easy to unbox. You just pull the top tab here and it will slide out of the box like that. And ooh, this is really nice. I like this. It's just enough protection for your iPad. That way it doesn't get damaged, and it just easily magnetizes to the back, and you can then stand your iPad mini up. So let's put this on here now. I'm gonna put that down on the table, and then just like that, magnetizes right there. And then of course, it turns off your screen when you're not using it. And oh my gosh, look how adorable that looks, guys. Look at that. That's just the cutest little thing ever. Like I've never seen such a cute little like tablet device ever before in my life from Apple, especially. So that just looks so nice. Let's try opening it up and standing it up like this. That's really nice. So I could watch a movie on the road. It's bigger than my phone, and again, it's another battery too. So I'm able to not wear down all my phone's battery too. So it's really nice. I really am liking this, and I can't wait to use it on more road trips and more things in everyday life. Now, another couple things before I wrap up today's video. One is that the new iPad mini, as I mentioned earlier on in this video, now has Touch ID, so you're able to unlock and lock your device with your fingerprint, which is super handy. And another thing I wanted to look at really quick here is the camera on this device. I want to see what it looks like. It's supposed to be a really good camera, 12 megapixels on the front and the back. So I'm gonna flip that down. Oh, that's nice. Okay. So I have to flip this over really quick and show you guys this. So you can keep the case on here even when you're using the camera, because the magnets on the smart case just push back like that and it holds. So you can use the 12 megapixel camera and keep it like that. So like I can take a picture of myself here, like that, and then I also can flip it around to the back, and there I am right there. Hello. I'll take a picture right there. It's a fairly good picture for a iPad mini that again starts only at $500. So I'm very impressed by this device, and I just again really can't wait to start using this more in my everyday life. And that's the new 2021 iPad mini from Apple. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video here and unboxing on the channel today. If you did, make sure you leave it a like and consider clicking the subscribe button down below for more great Apple and more tech videos for that matter coming your way soon. I'm also on Facebook. I'm at LoveTech4You on Facebook and Twitter. Go check me out over there, and go follow me on Patreon. Become a Patreon today. That does it for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Didn't get enough LoveTech today? Then head over to patreon.com/LoveTech to see exclusive behind-the-scenes videos, photos, and projects that I'm working on. Now, enjoy some bonus material from today's episode. Packing a new A15, God, Jesus, this is me talking.